kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 9 and the last part of my video series on group chatting app using Firebase in Android Studio. Alright guys, so in this video we will complete the app. So we were in this menu. So first of all, what we can do, we need to override some methods. So first of all, it is on create options menu, then we have on options item selected. So in this on create options menu, we need to inflate. So we can say get menu inflator dot inflate r dot menu, and we can pass this menu, and then we can say return true. Then inside this on options item selected, so we can say if item dot get item id equal to r dot id dot logout, and let me see if what was the id menu logout. So we just copy that and paste it here, and I think the project is not clean, so we need to go to build and click on clean project. And now it is saying that okay, so I think there is mistake, and this is the correct way, and now the error will be removed, I guess. So we now again need to click on clean project, so yes, now the error is removed. I think there is still okay, so the error is removed, and now here what we can do is we can say out dot sign out, and we need to finish, I mean close the activity, and now we can say start activity, and here we can say new intent. Let me import the intent, and inside this intent method we are going to write group chat activity dot this, and now we need to open the main activity dot class, and I think that is it. Our menu is complete, and now we just need to write the code for our adapter for the recycler view. And so for that, let me open the adapter class, and what we can do, first of all, we need to extend it with the recycler view dot adapter, and inside this we can say message adapter dot message adapter view holder. And what we need to do here is okay, so first of all, let's create the class message adapter view holder, and we need to extend it with recycler view dot view holder, and here we can okay, first of all we need to let me here the create constructor matching super, and then we can what we need to do, here we have the text view, so here we can say text view, and then here we have the TV title, then we have the image button, and it is IB delete, then we have the linear layout, and it is L1 message, and so I think we don't need this linear layout, so I just remove that. And also we need to implement all the three methods like on create view holder, on bind view holder, and get item count. So here we first of all need to have the default constructor. Before that we can have some objects. So first of all we will have context, then we will have the list of type message, and make sure to select this one. And also here we can use messages, then we have the database reference and we mark it as message db. Then here we will have the constructor, so we can say public message adapter, and inside this we first of all will have context, then we will have the list of type message and we will name it as messages, and then we will have the database reference and we name it as message db. So here we can say this dot context equal to contact, then this dot messages db equal to messages db, then this dot messages equal to messages. All right, then here inside now we need to create a layout for our item message. So for that we can create the layout. So click on new layout resource file and name it as item message, and then inside this what we are going to do, okay, so here we will have the match parent and it will be wrap content, and then it's the padding will be, we need to set the padding, it will be 5 dp. Then after that we will have the card view, and then we will have match parent and wrap content. Then inside this card view we are going to have a linear layout, and in this linear layout we are going to have match parent and set the width to wrap content. Then we set the orientation to vertical. Then inside this linear layout we are going to have another linear layout, and that will be match parent and 40 dp. Then we will have the background and it will be equal to color primary, or we can say color green 400. Then we will have the orientation and it will be horizontal, and also set the id to be L1 message. So inside this linear layout now we are going to have a text view. So we can say text view will be match parent and the height will be 45 dp, and then it will, the text color will be white, so we have triple F. Then we have the text size and it will be equal to 18 sp. Then we will have the text random text, and then we will have padding to 5 dp. Then we will have the weight of 1. All right, so after that we will have the image button. So we can say image button and it will be 45 dp, the height will also be 45 dp. Then we can set the, okay, so we forgot to add the id for our title, I mean text view. So we can say id, okay, so I think we already have the id in the linear layout, so we need the id for the text view. So we can say L1, sorry, so that will be TV title, text view title. Alright, so for the image button what we are going to do, we have the width and height to 45 dp. Then we can set the background and it will be color green 400. Then we have the source, so we can say drawable slash IC delete back 24 dp, and that's it. Alright, so now we move back to our adapter class. So first of all, let me remove all the unused here. Now we will have inside this message adapter. So what we are going to have is, first of all, let's set the return get item count. So we return the size of the list, so we can say messages dot size, and then we can now initialize the views. So here we can say TV title equal to text view, and here we can say item view dot find view by id r dot id dot TV title. Then we have the ib delete for the image button, and we can say image button item view dot find view by id r dot id dot ib delete, and let's just copy that and paste it for our image button. And here we have got the image button id, and after we have got the image button and the text view, so now we can just so here we can use the on click event listener for our image button. So we can say image delete dot set on click new listener and new on click listener, and inside this we can say messages db dot child, and inside this we can get the messages dot get adapter position dot get key, and finally we can say dot remove value. Alright, then after this we have completed the code for our message adapter view holder. And so now we are going to have is so we are now going to write the code for the on create view holder method. So here, instead of this returning null, so here we can say view equal to layout inflated dot from, and there we can pass our context. Then we can say dot inflate, and we can say r dot layout dot item message. Then we have the parent, and then we can pass the false here, and finally we can return new message adapter view holder, and we can pass the view here. Alright, then after that we now need to write the code for our own bind view holder method. So for every item here we can say message equal to messages dot get position, and then we can check if message dot get name dot equals, and we can say all methods dot name, and then we can say holder dot TV title dot set text, and here we can say u, and here we can say plus message dot get message. Similarly for our so we now need to set the gravity, so we can say holder dot TV title dot set gravity, and we can set the gravity dot start. Then we can say holder. So I think we now need the linear layout. So for that we can add the linear layout here. And for the linear layout we can have this as L1 equal to linear layout item view dot find view by id r dot id dot l1 message, and for this we can say folder dot l1 dot set background color, and then we can say color dot parse color, and for there we can have seven three, and then inside this else part we can now say holder dot tv title dot set text, and we can say message dot get name plus, and here we can say plus message dot get message, and then we can say holder dot ib delete dot set visibility, and we can say view dot gone. All right, that is it for our project. I think our project is now completed. So let me run the app and let's see if it works or not. So let me connect my phone with the laptop so that I show you the output of our app. So for that, let me write. Okay, so I have connected my phone, and now let's run the project on our phone, which is Samsung Galaxy C7. I hope that it runs fine without any crash. So let's see. Okay, so now it is running. So first of all, I enter my email, let's say haroon@gmail.com, and I enter my password as 1234567 and I press on login, and you can say wrong email and password, try again. So if I click on sign up and I enter the name as email at haroon@gmail.com, then I have the password 1234567, then I enter my name as Haroon and I click on register. So guys, you can see user registered successfully. Since there are no messages here, so you cannot see any message here. So if I write hello, how are you, so before sending the message, let me show you the Firebase console, and here you can see users. We have this user ID, and here we have email and name, and in our authentication part sorry, so you can see the user is authenticated, and after that let's see if we try to send a message. So yes, if I click on this message, and here you can see now the app is crashed. So let's see where did the app crash. Yes, so here it is saying that unknown color. So yes, I forgot to add the hash button here, and now we will try to run it again, and let me see the messages here, and you can see hello, how are you, it is there. So when we try to run our app, so you will be able to see the message of your inside this. So you can see, yes, here you can see hello, how are you. All right, so if I click on again, this is my message, and you click on this, and you can see this is here. And if you click on uh, this button, and so now your message will be deleted. And also the one thing that we don't have the toolbar here, so in order for the toolbar, what you can do is go to styles. Okay, no, you need to go to manifest, and here inside this app theme we also need to have another theme for, so we will just copy that and paste it here, and instead of this app theme, so we can say app theme dark, and instead of this no action bar we can say dark action bar. And then we need to set the color primary. Okay, so here we can set it, just copy it and paste it here, then also paste it here. And after that, app theme dark, you need to select it inside your Android manifest for your group chat only, so you can say theme and style app theme dark. Alright, and then you can simply run your app again and you will be able to see the toolbar in your activity. So guys, you can see the toolbar here, and from there you can easily log out of the application. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood and you have followed me in this whole tutorial series. So guys, if you like the video and series, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.